Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. In this video, I want to share this Stampin' Up! Love This Memory Notebook Kit. I think this is a fairly new kit. I'm not entirely sure. I think they also have some planner stuff out. I'm not sure, but anyway, so this is it's called again Love This Memory Notebook Kit. So it comes in this nice brown box. I like this box. Polka dots on the side and stripes. Okay, so it reminds me of a paper pumpkin kit, the way that it's packed. So it has these stamps. It's a good day. Let me get a piece of paper to put it on. Okay, here we go. Okay, it says, love this, the best, yay, just enjoy, life is cool, shine on, high five, start somewhere, be beautiful, shake it off, smile every day. Okay, and then it has a smiley face, a heart, a flower, some arrows, curly arrow. That's cute. Okay, so it's that. Then it comes with a stamping spot. It's called Parakeet Party. It's a pretty green. Parakeet Party. Leave it here. And then it has where is this? It has, I'm gonna put the stuff back once I take it out. I mean, once I show it. Oopsie. It has this pack of things inside. So let's take all of that out. Take all of this out except for that chipboard. Okay, it actually has some instructions on how to assemble. I think I'm gonna be putting this in another journal. It's not that thick, you know. So it has these instructions. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What's this? Okay, different layouts. That's cute. All right. So, yeah. So it has some directions. Okay, it has a stamping block. I'm gonna put the directions back in the box. It has a stamping block. Some tape. Some double-sided tape. This is a nice stamping block, by the way. Acrylic block. It has some double-sided tape and some silver washi tape. Oh, how pretty. Pockets is already made. Oh, I love that. And then it has these die cuts, perforated. Okay, some cards. Oh, this is pretty. They all pretty. I like the colors. Nice colors. Ooh, look at these hearts. These are like hollow. That's how you say it? Hollow? Yeah. And look at the washi tape is the same way. Oh my goodness. It's silver, but I can see the rainbow on it. That's nice. Gonna have some more die cuts that match the cards. So they match the cards. And here are some other little cards. So cute. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna put this in the journal I was thinking about because of color theme. And I just realized that what this journal I'm in the process of setting up, and I've been setting it up for a couple of weeks now, taking my time, making all kinds of things to go in it. It's it has a theme, and so this does not go with the theme. Oh, but look, this is so pretty. These are some stickers. Some more stickers. I like this. And then, oh wow, some more stickers. And these are stickers. Yep, these are stickers. These are nice. The oval, look like a little cloud, flower, labels. And it has this booklet. I like this booklet. And what is this? Oh, some alphas and some arrows. Nice alphas. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is a nice kit. This is a really nice kit to do some decorating with. A nice kit to make a journal, I should say. Really, really cute. Okie dokie. Alrighty. And so, I might do a video of me making this, putting this notebook together. Okay? If you would like to see that, just let me know in the description section. The comment section, but I still may go ahead and do it anyway. I think it's so cutesy. And that's it. So, yeah, that's it for this. Once again, love this memory notebook kit. Alright, so if you have any questions or comments, I think I'm going to leave a link to this in the description section of this video. And here's the price of it. Here's the price of this kit. I'm going to put it up on the screen right now. Okay, that's it. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.